Ito naman, ang search warrant. Di ba, pag kinukulong ka, huhuling ka, search warrant. Dahil nakakulong na tayo, search warrant. Panoodin mo, dalawang pamilya. Watch this!
My name is Ali.
Aaron, Winchell,
Wendy,
Aldrin.
and we are the Moseno Family!
Magandang hapon mga kapuso! You're watching Wawawi! And we are the Ijas family from Dipolog City!
You know I'm gonna get you, yeah. No, I won't drop you, like everybody else. Forget about your friends, they don't care where we go. Looking for you forever, baby, we go together, baby. Choices I know we got a few, either you're coming with me. I finally found you. You know I'm gonna get.
Thank you very much. So, yung Olive video, sigpa 5,000 ngayon naman sa search warrant natin ni Pomoceno family, magmula po yan sa Caloocan. At yung Edias family, magmula naman po sa Dipolog, yung Samayaw ng uli. Dalawa, ito ay katuwaan lang. Pagbibigay lang po ito ng saya. At syempre, dahil dyan, si Michael Pangilinan po ay nagbigay ng 60,000. Nakapagbigay na tayo kahapon ng dalawa. Another 20,000 kay Michael Pangilinan. Sa grupo po, o pamilya po ng tiga Caloocan, ito po yung Pomoceno family, meron kayong 10,000. Okay, Edias family ng Dipolog, meron kayong 10,000. Pinagkaloob po yan ni Michael Pangilinan!